Replacement pack includes 2 bucket seats with safety straps for use with interactive children's table, sold separately. MUTLI-FUNCTION TABLE, secure babies and toddlers in the seats for feeding, cleaning, playtime, socializing, arts, crafts and more. Safe and secure, bucket seats with safety belts provide a safe and contained space for children ages 5 months, 24 months old, 30 pounds weight capacity. Replace before use. If safety seats or straps become damaged or go missing, remove the item from use and replace. Safe for your space, GREENGUARD, Gold, certified for limited emissions into indoor air. Dimensions, replacement seat measures 9W x 9 liters x 11H, replacement strap measures 1W x 30 liters x 0H. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly. Use it to replace my broken bucket chairs. They fit perfectly and they come with the straps. Same quality as my original buckets.